So this is the plan. The studio is going to be So today it's all about bringing out the big tools, and I bought myself a nailer. Now this is a Faszo M350, IM350. They do this one, and there's a later one, an IM350 Plus. But I figured, you know what, for what I'm going to be doing, I don't need to go top end. It's still not cheap buying this, but my thought is, I buy this, it's going to save a shed load of time with putting this lot together, and then I'll sell it again on eBay. Hopefully won't lose too much money on it. This is going to be interesting. Never used a nail gun before, but you know what could possibly go wrong? But this will certainly help when I'm doing the framing and the majority of the higher level builds. But let's give it a try and see how we get on. Wow, this is heavy duty, man. It's a bit bloody powerful. So let's see if we can do the end piece, get that in place, and join it up now with these studs. At least then we've got one solid corner. We'll do the same then on the outside piece over there, and then work back through the centres. Awesome. It's going to be so quick. Quick to bugger it up, mind, if I've got it wrong. Right, let's get these bolted in the outside. These two perfectly level. I can bolt those in. So that was a bit frustrating. So I'm using the nail gun, which is new to me, brand new second hand, and the nails aren't firing quite right, so I thought, oh, it must be the gas. So I swapped the gas out. That didn't work, so I've got a new pack of nails. I thought, brand new gas, because you never know, how long the gas has been in that pack. Opened up the brand new pack, wrong gas. Looked at the box. It's for the what is it? It was for the IM350 CI, and mine is the IM350i, the older one. So I've had to go back down the yard, back down to Travis Perkins, who I'm using for all of the building stuff, and go and swap. But good as gold, they've just took the old one and swapped it out for a new. So they've just done a straight, even though I've used half a row of nails. Let me show you what I mean. These are the nails, they come in a bank, and you just slot these in like you would into a magazine of a gun. And these that then get fired out one after another into whatever it is you're building. So it's a little bit frustrating, puts you back a bit. But we're back here now, so we can crack on. Well, now that the frame's all in place, next bit will be to start putting the insulation in. I need to make sure that I've got the blocks in place against which the insulation will sit, so it doesn't drop through to the floor. But first, before I start putting this in place, I need to cut up a bunch of the pieces to hold the insulation board up. So what I'm going to do, cut a bunch of these, nail those in position, and then get the insulation in. I'm going to make sure there's nothing in the area that I don't want to have buried, because now we're at that point where this is going to be the last time we see this weed mat. Might give it a quick sweep. Cool. Bosh bosh, all the way along. Gotta say, this little applicator is working quite well. I can load up, place them into where it's got to go. Nail gun with 2 hands because it holds itself on the barrier. Okay, and then I can take him off, start on the other side. It's going to make things a lot easier and faster. Insulation then, let's get some more. Well, man, that was quite a hectic day. So I'm really pleased with the way it's coming on, but it didn't quite get as far as I'd wanted today. What turns out that these Celotex insulation boards, they're 100mm deep, which is great, and it's going to provide loads of insulation cover. But I've only got 50mm blades, so my circular saw and my chop saw, table saw, they're all 50mm blades, so every single cut I've had to do, cut one side, flip it, cut the other side, and with the shapes it's created quite a bit of cutting to do. So I've gotten through as much as I can today, which is down to this last layer. Now this bit, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in a large piece here, and then down at the bottom where I've got all the pipes and stuff, I'm going to have to do some fair bit of cutting out in and around here so that I can just take a piece and slot it over the top of all of the works there. So that is going to take a fair bit of cutting, shaping, dropping in, taking out, and so I think I shall take that on tomorrow. So for today, it is definitely beer o'clock. So for now, thank you very much for watching. My name's Rich, and this is It's Adventure. I hope to see you again very soon. And to help with that, why don't you click on that subscribe button down there, and if you click the bell, you'll be notified the next time I release a video. But for now, thanks very much. I'll catch you again very soon. Do you reckon, Duds? Are you going to come and have a help me out? What are you going to do? Can you put some tools away for me, maybe? No? Just me then?